Meet Tommy, a curious young adventurer whose lantern often guided him to extraordinary discoveries.
One night, while visiting Grandpa's old house, Tommy noticed something strange.
Wow, it's real. The door.
Suddenly, a tiny glowing door opened inside the clock. Behind the door was an entire hidden city.
The gears are slowing down. Time is running out. We must go to the center.
But something was wrong.
Chronopolis is failing. It's stopping. Look out below.
Tommy decided to help.
No, it can't be.
The heart of Chronopolis is broken. We hope you can fix it. I will try.
There! It's secure!
Together, they repaired the Great Gear.
Look, everyone! The Great Gear lives again!
And from that night on, Tommy became the city's secret hero.
Friend of Chronopolis.
And Tommy learned that even the smallest help can change an entire world.